Disk Management. In this chapter, we will learn how to configure the available disks. Click on the menu button and then choose Settings. The fourth category is Disk. After clicking on it, you will see a subcategory appearing on the right. We'll start with Disk Management. The main interface is mainly for information. Here you will see the disk numbers, free and used capacities, model and serial number, status, and the record period on which recordings are saved. The only operation you can perform here is to format the disks. We assume that the disk was formatted during the wizard settings, but still we would like to remind you that an unformatted disk is not usable by the system. You can format a single disk by clicking on the Format button and confirming the format process. If you wish to format all the available drives, click on the down arrow next to the Operation tab and then choose Format All. Once we have confirmed that the disks are in normal state, we will move forward to Storage mode. Storage mode is relevant only if the device has more than one disk installed. The idea is to separate the available cameras into several groups. By separating the cameras, we can achieve one of several benefits. For example, in case of disk failure, only some of the camera records will be lost. In another scenario, we can set a group of more important cameras that will record for a longer duration than other cameras. In order to move cameras between groups, we must first define the groups. Choose Group 2. In order to relocate disks, click on the plus button on the Disk tab. A pop-up window will appear with the available disks. Choose the disk you wish to relocate to the selected group and confirm. Please note that the information stored on that disk will be deleted. Next, we need to add cameras to a group of disks. Click on the plus button on the Cameras tab and choose the cameras you wish to relocate. Upon confirming, all the recorded data of these cameras will be deleted. Repeat this process as many times as you need to configure the groups as you please. Newly added disks or cameras will be joined into Group 1 as default. The disks and cameras in the different groups can be deleted except for Group 1. In order to delete a group, select a disk group and click on the X on the top right corner of the added disk or camera. The deleted disks and cameras will be moved into Group 1 automatically. Each group can receive disks and cameras from other groups. Each disk or camera can be allocated to one group only. Once done with the disk configuration, we can view the disk status and Smart Info, which stands for Self-Monitoring, Analysis, and Reporting Technology. It monitors the working status of the hard drives and tries to detect failures before they happen. In case of a failure, the system will reboot automatically to try and revive the disk during the reboot procedure. If rebooting the device failed and the disk is still failing, the system will issue a hard drive-related alarm. This finalizes the disk configuration.